How to share your iPhone location with your families or friends using Find My app. Let's get started. First thing first, you need to head over to your application Find My app. You will be landing on this page. Make sure that you are signed into your account. Now, if you want to share your specific location to any of your friends or family, then tap on Start Sharing Location right here, and then click on Continue. It will show you all the list of the contacts that you have it on your device. And over here, you should know that you can only share the location to the iPhone users and not the Android users. Simply select the contact and then tap on Send. After that, your location will be shared to that specific person, and then you'll be good to go. That's the wrap for this video. Make sure to smash the like button and consider subscribing to our channel. We'll be seeing you in the next video. Thank you.